How to check activation status on Windows 11. Easy step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Next channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Windows 11 to show you how to check the activation status of your operating system. Whether you're curious about your activation status or you're troubleshooting any activation issues, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. The first step is to open the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and then selecting the gear-shaped icon for Settings. Once you're in the Settings, navigate to the System section. You'll find it on the left sidebar. Now, within the System section, look for the Activation tab. Click on it to access the activation settings for your Windows 11. Here's where you'll find the information you need. Look for the Windows is Activated section. Right under it, you'll see the activation status along with the product key details. If your Windows is not activated or you're experiencing issues, you can troubleshoot by clicking on the Troubleshoot button. This will guide you through the activation problem-solving process. And there you have it. Checking the activation status on Windows 11 is a straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.